and that results has been shown by none other than Modi ji sir. Whatever he speaks, it will be done. मोदी है तो मुमकिन है, मोदी है तो मुमकिन है, मोदी है तो मैजिक है। वो उनको मिस्टिक है सर, हमारे लिए वो मैजिक है और हो जाएगा। जो 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 फील्ड में काम करता है, जो लेबर काम करता है, उनको यकीन है मोदी के ऊपर, उनको यकीन है मोदी के ऊपर। इनको यकीन हो ना हो फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा। कौन रहेगा तब तक? अरे भाई, ये देश रहेगा, हम रहे ना रहे, ये देश रहेगा।
CSR बोम्मई, श्रीश्वर बोम्मई जी।
Sir, I take this opportunity to thank your good self, the Honorable Speaker, to giving me opportunity. Sir, my name is Basuraj Bommai, not S.R. Bommai. S.R. Bommai is my father's name, and you are very well acquainted with that.
That is I
Sir, I also want to thank Honorable Prime Minister and Honorable Finance Minister to having presented this 26-27 finance bill. Sir, this finance bill has not come out of nothing. Sir, ये जो finance bill आया है, इसके पीछे बहुत बड़ा मेहनत है सर। सर, डिज़रेली ने बोला है कि there is no magic in economics, only results, and results are there to be seen. सर, ये जब मोदी जी ने प्रधानमंत्री बन गए, तभी इकोनॉमिक्स इतना बुरा हाल में था कि कहाँ से शुरू करे, कहाँ रिपेयर करे, कहाँ क्या करे। इतना बुरा हाल था कि इन्फ्लेशन डबल फिगर पे था, इकोनॉमी सिंगल डिजिट पे था, इन्फ्लेशन डबल डिजिट पे था, फ्रजाइल फाइल में था, और इकोनॉमिक्स में 11th रैंक पे था। वहाँ से चालू हुआ, जीरो लेवल से उन्होंने किया है। पहले रीबिल्ड किया सर, इकोनॉमिक्स और फाइनेंस को दोनों मिलके रीबिल्ड किया, देन रीइंफोर्स किया, अभी रिफॉर्म कर रहे हैं। अभी जो रिफॉर्म्स आया है, इसका बैकग्राउंड ये है कि 11 साल का कड़ी मेहनत है, डिसिप्लिन है, और लोगों ने उसको रिस्पॉन्स किया है। सर, जो इकोनॉमिक्स है, ये सिर्फ पैसा से नहीं होता सर, ये क्रिएशन ऑफ वेल्थ से होता है, और क्रिएशन ऑफ वेल्थ कड़ी मेहनत, लोगों की कड़ी मेहनत से होता है। बॉटम ऑफ द पिरामिड जो लोग हैं, वही मूवर्स एंड शेकर्स ऑफ इकोनॉमिक्स है सर। हम यहाँ जो बैठे हैं, यही समझते हैं कि हम इस देश का तकदीर बदलते हैं। असली तकदीर वो बदल रहे हैं जो धूप में, छांव में कड़ी मेहनत करते हैं और इस देश को बनाते हैं सर। यहाँ से रोड सैंक्शन कर सकते हैं, लेकिन रोड बनाने वाला जो है, उसका कड़ी मेहनत है सर। एंड दैट लेबर सर, the sweat of the labor and the blood of the farmer combines together to build the nation, sir. Sir, पॉलिसी पैरालिसिस था, कुछ चीज पे कोई निर्णय नहीं होता था, उसको छोड़ के अभी डिसिसिव गवर्नमेंट आया है सर। और मैं इतना ही कहता हूं कि विजनरी एक प्राइम मिनिस्टर अगर आ गए तो कैलामिटी को कैसे अपॉर्चुनिटी बदल सकता है, ये हमारी सरकार ने दिखाया है, हमारा फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर ने दिखाया और हमारा प्रधानमंत्री ने दिखाया सर। सर, कमिंग स्ट्रेट अवे टू द यूनियन बजट, सर, इन लोग जो भी कहना है उनको कहना चाहिए, अपोजिशन में है, लेकिन इन लोगों ने पूरा खजाना खाली रख के रह गए थे। अभी वो करना चाहिए, ये करना चाहिए जो बता रहे, अभी कहने के लिए लायक क्यों हो गया कि मोदी जी ने इसको सही रास्ते पे लेके आया। सर, हमारा ये बार our expenditure has grown to 7.7%, sir, compared to the last year, and our receipts are also going more than 7%, sir. And our GDP growth with inflation is estimated to be 10%, sir. A double-digit GDP is expected this year, sir. And our deficits, physical deficit has come down from 4.4 to 4.3, sir. Sir, now the whole situation is changing in last 1 month, sir. Our Honorable Prime Minister has made a statement on the Gulf War today. It has got a lot of repercussions on the lives of the people throughout the world and within the country also, sir. And he gave elaborate arrangements what he has done. Sir, I want to remind that during Iraq war, Iran-Iraq war and US-Iraq war, within 3 days, there was long queue in petrol bunks, sir. We have suffered a lot. Kilometers, petrol bunks were long queues were there. Now, the war has entered 22nd day, but there is no queue in petrol bunks. Why? Because we have increased our capacity in 11 years. We have increased our processing capacity. We have, and the goodwill of Modi ji, we are able to get our crude oil in time and save the hardship to the people, the common people, to the economy of this country. Sir, if you look around all the other countries, what's happening? They are in total mess. They are called holidays. The life has stopped there. But no life has been stopped, sir. No economic activity has been stopped. Certain portion of LPG are in problems. I understand, but that is also going to be eased out now. Thanks to the able administration and diplomatic efficiency of the government and Modi ji, the goodwill of Modi ji, sir. In these circumstances, what should have been done? And what is the repercussion and how much money more we require? That is the challenge before us, sir. Sir, it has been estimated by the finance committee itself that you might need 1 lakh crore more so that we can face all this kind of a crisis. And it has come to my notice, and I am sure while replying, Honorable Finance Minister will say that how much money she is ready to keep to face this crisis. And I am very much sure, because during COVID, we have seen much more bigger crisis. And during COVID, sir, states were taken care. The GST compensation was taken care. The migration workers were taken care. Food was taken care. Health was taken care. Vaccination was done. This speaks volumes of the government, and the test of the government is in crisis, sir. When there is a crisis, then the ability of the government and the leadership is under test. And I am very proud to say that in all the difficulties, in all the situations, Modi ji ability has come to the rescue of the people, of the common man, sir. Sir, I like to bring certain things to your kind notice, that in this bill, there are certain reforms, sir. Everybody knows. I don't want to elaborate on that. There are tax holidays. There is a lot of minimum alternate tax. No credit accumulation has been done. There are some strict measures also. And rationalization of penalties also been done. And at TCS, the rates have been reduced from 5 to 2%, sir. And sir, it's a visionary government, I have said. There is a high-level committee has been done on banking, sir, for Viksit Bharat, to maintain and review foreign exchange management. We are very strong in foreign exchange, but still, to look forward for the different kind of situations. We need a policy on consolidating the foreign exchange management. That's why committee has been done, sir, and they are going to recommend the same, sir. Sir, I must say that, as I said, there is no magic in economics, only results. And the results are through hard work. We can see in infrastructure, we started with roads, then we came to railways, to the airways, and this year, sir, we are going to the waterways. All modes of communication, all modes of travel, all mode of transportation will be modernized, sir. Sir, almost 80% of our railway has been electrified, sir. This is the greatest achievement, one greatest achievement, which no previous government could do it. No previous government could do it. And we are going to have 100% electrification in next 3-4 years, sir. This is it brings a big change, sir. And secondly, in waterways, we are going to use our water power for transportation, sir. It will be very easy method and a very low cost method, and that is there to be seen. It starts in Ganga Belt, sir, now in your state, from there to Gujarat, sir, and then wherever there is a rivers which are there all throughout the year, there can be a transportation, sir, and this is going to bring a big change, sir. And ports have been improved, sir. Our ports have been improved in Sagarmala project, sir. Our capacity, the port carrying capacity, holding capacity has increased multifold, sir. That's why we could park all these kind of big ships now, petroleum and crude oil ships. Within a week, we could accommodate everybody, sir. Therefore, it is not one day job, sir. Hard work is there. And sir, and in energy sector, as our finance minister was telling today, and our prime minister has told the house today, more than 50% of our energy required comes from renewable energy today, sir. It's the greatest achievement. The renewable energy is the cheapest form of energy, and it can be produced in our country. There is a sovereign integrity in that energy, and that has really helped us in this crisis, sir. Therefore, the energy is a main source for the economic growth, sir. Economy E, to grow, there has to be another E, that is energy, sir. And the next step, sir, we are looking forward, government, sir. We are not happy with what we have achieved. We are looking forward, and we are going nuclear, sir. What US went 100 years back, that's how they became energy self-sufficient. There will be small energy power producing nuclear plants, sir. And that day, India will be totally free from all kind of dependence on the foreign power, sir. And they have given 15 years for that. And I am sure, sir, in the Viksit Bharat in 2047, we will be energy independent country, sir. And nuclear energy will also be a clean energy, and that is the way forward, sir. And Modi ji has taken steps to that. And sir, as far as agriculture is concerned, lot has been talked. Investment in agriculture. I also agree, sir. There is one formula, Mr. Nehru was speaking. I also agree that 1% growth in the primary sector, that is agriculture, will bring in 4% growth in secondary sector, that is manufacturing sector, and 10% in the service sector, sir. Therefore, there has to be more investment, capital investment in agriculture. We have been investing a lot, only very little in terms of their loan to the crops, sir. But capital investment has to come. Sir, we have been, sir, when we were 33 crore people, when we got independent, we didn't have food. There was no food security. Now we are 130 crores. We have got that food security because of the hard work of the farmer. Because hard work of the farmer, sir. And Agriculture has grown, sir, but farmer is poor. So our focus should be on the farmer, welfare of the farmer. If farmer is able to have his economy consolidated, where he will not stretch his hand loans for his daughter education, daughter marriage, and family health, then he can grow much more, sir. That is the idea behind it. That's why there is lot of been subsidy schemes, and agriculture is also a state subject. It can't be only center. We can't blame only on center. As far as center is concerned, we are giving 1,75,000 crores subsidy for fertilizers. Otherwise, our farmers would have not been able to buy this fertilizer. Fertilizer, which will be 2,000, 3,000 per quintal, is selling at 500, 600, 700, 800. It is because of the central subsidy, sir. And Modi government has increased the subsidy from 75,000 crores to 1,75,000 crores, sir. I compliment the Honorable Prime Minister. And, sir, his unique scheme, where he is spending 65,000 crores every year, sir, in Kisan Samman Yojana. Kisan Samman Yojana is the greatest innovation for the individual farmer, especially the small farmers, sir. And every year 65,000 crores has been spent in this country, sir. And as far as youths are concerned, Mudra is a unique program, sir. And I can go on like this. But my ultimate aim is that we should have a strong economics for the future of this country, sir. And the strong economic comes only with the greater visionary leader, good policies, and hard work. And, sir, the best part is people should believe in the leader, sir. And that belief will come, that trust will come only through the hard work and only to the results. And that results has been shown by none other than Modi ji, sir. Whatever he speaks, it will be done. Modi hai to mumkin hai. Modi hai to mumkin hai. Modi hai to मैजिक है, वो उनको मिस्टिक है, सर. हमारे लिए वो मैजिक है और हो जाएगा. जो फील्ड में काम करता है, जो लेबर काम करता है, उनको यकीन है मोदी के ऊपर. उनको यकीन है मोदी के ऊपर. इनको यकीन हो ना हो फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. जब विकसित भारत की बात करते हैं, ये बोलते कौन रहेगा तब तक. अरे भाई, ये देश रहेगा, हम रहे ना रहे ये देश रहेगा. हम रहे ना रहे ये देश रहेगा. और हमारे अगले हमारे बच्चे रहेंगे, वो याद करेंगे ये मोदी जी थे, इसलिए हम ऐसे जिंदगी जी रहे. अरे बच्चों की सोचिए, आगे की सोचिए, देश की सोचिए. पॉलिटिक्स करने के लिए पूरा जिंदगी पड़ी है, पूरा जिंदगी पड़ी है. किस किस में पॉलिटिक्स ढूंढते हो? गल्फ वॉर हुआ है तो पॉलिटिक्स देखते हो, कोविड आए तो पॉलिटिक्स देखते हो. नेगेटिविज्म छोड़ दीजिए, नेगेटिविज्म टोटली छोड़ दीजिए. जिंदगी आपका जिंदगी भी सुधर जाएगा, आपका भी पॉलिटिकल फ्यूचर सुधर जाएगा. लेकिन जब तक आप नेगेटिव से शादी किया है, कुछ नहीं होने वाला. आपका कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. सर, I stand here to support all the reforms brought in by the Honorable Finance Minister, sir, and I am confident that future is very bright in spite of all the challenges. Sun will shine on Bharat. Sun will shine on Bharat, and sun will shine on all the policies of Modi ji. And we, under the leadership of Modi ji, we will see Bharat Mata ki Jai.
Thank you.